It's fantastic to be able to live in such a beautiful place on the west coast of Ireland, but also have a career in a world-class, high-technology, engineering, manufacturing company.
What I like most about working in Hollister is the people. The people here, they're extremely welcoming, but they're also very, very highly skilled, and it makes for a really great working environment.
What I like most about working in Hollister is the culture. We have really good team building days where we work really well and collaborate together. Everyone's really supportive as well.
I actually moved back after spending 17 years in the UK, and I spent the first chunk of my career in the aerospace industry. But I really wanted to make a change to the biomedical industry. I wanted to do something with a little bit more purpose and use my technical expertise to make a real difference in people's lives. So the technology and the engineering here is world class. And if you're interested in research and development or product design or manufacturing, the level of automation and technology here is cutting edge in my experience.
I was very aware of the excellent reputation Hollister has in Ballina, and when an opportunity arose that was aligned with where I wanted to go in my career, I didn't hesitate in pursuing. Hollister does put significant effort into developing people, so people within their existing jobs, they get opportunities to take on projects that will further their development within a given role, but additionally, as the opportunities come up, they also get the opportunity to build up their overall knowledge of the company and their overall skill set.
I've been working in Hollister for over 3 years now. I had lived in Dublin my whole life, but I wanted to change, so I wanted to move out west. I had heard about Hollister previously, and I really admired their culture and the way they treated their customers and how they had such focus on the dignity of the person. Hollister is really inclusive. It's a really friendly place to work, and they really want you to be yourself. Like, as you walk down the halls here, everyone says hi to you.
So our site is set in 40 acres of wooded parkland, and when I joined the biodiversity team. So it's a group of volunteer employees, and we look after the site, we plant bulbs, we plant trees. We have some beehives on site now as well. We actually won the Green MedTech Company of the Year, which recognises efforts that companies are making to be more sustainable and to improve biodiversity on their sites. So that was a great honour for Hollister Ballina.
Now, I am possibly biased because I grew up here, but you know, it's a great sized town, there's great amenities, the shops and restaurants in town.
For me, it was really important to find somewhere where I could raise my family. So good schools were important to me, lots of opportunities for different sports and activities. The amenities for children are fantastic.
Moving to Mayo, I found my quality of life has improved drastically. My work-life balance is brilliant. I have flexibility now, I can work from home. Then on the weekends and the evenings I can go surfing. There's really good hiking around. There's good buzz in the town, and there's a great nightlife here as well, and a really strong community. It's a great place to live.